So I think I have a better understanding of Iman's character. She's just somebody who doesn't think through.
Yeah. She just says whatever is in her mind and whatever she's like a blunt person,
yeah, and she's not
kind of like me.
she, hey, I didn't say that. You accepted it. Yes. I think Farsi will agree with me, no?
He will. My husband, yeah, he will
Yeah, so
actually.
see, like she doesn't take feedback. Like even when her boss is saying that don't do this, don't jump into this,
उसका
she's like,
बॉस भी तो कौन है?
yeah.
तो
अरे
क्यों
यार
सुने?
इतना इतना क्यूट बॉस है, सुनी लो बात क्या जाता है.
नहीं ये क्यों सुने आप अच्छा जब भी तो नहीं सुन रही ना,
Yeah,
नखरे
and
भी तो
then
दिखाने ना.
and उसको फिर like and then it worked in her favor. Like वो boss is proposing to her, so क्या जाता है.
Yeah.
So I guess you have been lucky like this too, like you know.
So what else? I loved initially I did not know where this Iman's character arc will be going, but I think I love her character arc. I think she's toned down, obviously.
Yeah.
From what she was and what from to what she's now.
Yeah.
And
I was loving Bilal, right? The way he was being the
yeah.
boss, right? Even in the party when she's like, "Oh, I didn't know about your divorce," and he's like, "Is that what you're worried about? There's a storm coming. Do your job, right?" I was like, "Oh my God, he's like a boss, right?" And then suddenly, what happened with the like? He has a marriage proposal for her. That
हाँ तो
part,
अच्छा किया ना, like
मेरे से
even the marriage,
मेरे को नहीं
no, I mean
समझा.
it makes sense, because he's not the kind of person कि वो he's gonna be like dating her or like anything like that. Like he's just just like what मैं proposal दूंगा, अगर उसको बोलना yes करना yes कर दे, no करना no कर दे,
Yeah.
whatever is in my mind it goes through.
Right, but where is this proposal coming from? Like, you saw her mistreating him, like, and
No,
then
no, her mistreating him. I don't think he was
no,
mistreating her, man.
no, no,
What are you
no.
talking about?
Like, she was very brutal. Like, तुम्हारे गंदे खून में
कब?
है वो the
वो
whole.
तो बहुत पहले की बात है यार. She even
अरे,
apologized.
even then she apologized, but then I mean, she might be still thinking the same thing for all you know, right?
But she
So
but she apologized, no?
she apologized, and he says that he knows that she's like she speaks like this. She's like
Oh, yeah,
when
yeah,
she's
yeah.
angry, she just says whatever comes to her mind.
Yeah.
So how do you just fall in love, bam, with her, right? It's just
I don't think I think he was always attracted. I mean, in the recent days or
see,
months.
I told you.
शुरू में नहीं.
I told you. That's why he was always peeping at her from corners,
No.
I'm telling you. Bilal was always okay.
I mean,
Okay,
no.
the director, right? You ask him this question.